Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I get to try the new Glow recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It's the first skincare highlighter. So first when I saw this product on Cult Beauty, I was like, okay, I have to get it because I love niacinamide. It's like the best ingredient in the skincare ever. So I got it, and then it kind of reminds me of the Glossier Future Dew, but this one it has no glitter, pearl or mica, so it will give you a very natural glow from within. And they say that you can use it under makeup and over makeup. Actually, you can use it in 3 ways. Like first, you can use it as a normal serum, like before your moisturizer. And second, you can use it as a primer. And the last one, you can use it as a highlighter over the makeup. So let's try it together. I already toned my face and I already put the hyaluronic serum on. So now I'm gonna use the dew drops as a serum. It smells like watermelon. I use 2 pumps and I'm gonna put this on my face, my entire face. It has really strong fragrance of watermelon. But if it doesn't bother you, then it's fine. It doesn't bother me. I can see the difference like right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it just gives you that instant glow. So far so good for me. Moving on to the second thing that we can do with this dew drops is to use it as a primer. So I'm gonna mix the dew drops and my foundation. I'm using the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and to see if it makes any difference. I forgot that I have these clips from Glow Recipe when I bought the Niacinamide dew drops, so I'm gonna put this on because that's why my hair is in the way. As you can see that my face look really glowy. But I think for combination to oil skin, it's kind of too glowy in my opinion. Like it kind of makes your face look like it's creasing. But you know, I like it. I like it a lot. It also said that we can use it as a highlight over makeup. So I'm gonna try to put this at the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones here, where I usually highlight, to see if it will give me that glow. I really like it as a highlight as well. And it absorbs really quickly, and that's what I like. And it's really give you that healthy skin look. So my final thoughts on this Niacinamide dew drops is that I think I like it most with serum. I think I would treat this like a skincare, more like a makeup. But I do like the glow that it gives over the makeup. Like now, it kind of gives me like a really good highlight, but no shimmer. So that's really interesting. So the key ingredients of this serum is, of course, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which gives you hydration also. So I think this is more like a serum for me than makeup. And I think that the smell is very strong, but you know, I'm obsessed with watermelon. So I literally have no problems with the smell. I love Glow Recipe. And I think that this product is best for someone who has dry skin, because I think if you're already have oily skin, this will make you look even oilier. But I tend to have dry skin now in the winter, so I think it's great, but I don't know if I will use it this summer because I will sweat a lot. I got this at Couch Beauty. It's 40 ml and it's 35-75 euros. So I think the price point is like normal for Glow Recipe. It's not that high, it's not that low. And I think this is an innovation, so I think I really like it. I'm happy with the results. And if you like this video and find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below for more video like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!